Здорово. Пиздец потеплело на глазах. Ну, блядь.
Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. I've been feeling great. I've been feeling how I should, how I really should. Been growing up way too fast, like where is my childhood? Lyrics legendary, like I am Robin Hood. Flow is flowing good, like I am some driftwood. Doing things I said I can when others said.
I just wanna make it in this lifetime, in this lifetime, in this lifetime. I just wanna make it in this lifetime, in this lifetime, in this lifetime. I just wanna make it in this lifetime. I just wanna make a memory. I just wanna make it in this lifetime. Sit up all night tryna write round 11. Shine a light in the nighttime. 11. I just wanna make a memory. I just wanna be up in the limelight. I'ma be the greatest when it's time right. Mama started smiling and I'm like, I just wanna make a memory. Life's hard but I don't let it sweat me. Got a little brother, his name is Giuseppe. Other brother been the realest since he met me. Don't push me unless you're trying to upset me. If my homies cut me loose, then when I'm set free, I'ma go loco and they gon' let me. Mama taught me don't ever let them forget you. When God is with you, the devil can never get you. Auntie taught me that fear's up in my head, so I'm strong-minded forever, I never let go. Take a picture, it'll last long. No hand-me-downs, but the memories get passed on. This ain't a sad song, it's a right you pass on. So in the future, you won't have to see your past gone. Live life to the fullest, share the wealth with the fam. If you didn't know me then, now you know who I am, huh? I just wanna make it in this lifetime. Sit up all night tryna write rhymes. 11. Shine a light in the nighttime. 11. I just wanna make a memory. I just wanna be up in the limelight. I'ma be the greatest when it's time right. Yeah, mama started smiling and I'm like, I just wanna make a memory. Let me tell you something I forgot to mention. A true story, so you gotta pay attention. I had a girl and I thought she was perfection. Going steady, but she in the wrong direction. I showed her love, all she showed me was affection. Cute smile, nice skin, dark complexion. We falling off cause there was a disconnection. I grabbed a mirror, then I questioned my reflection. That's my ex, but she know I still respect her. And when she in trouble, I still protect her. And she know that I never could neglect her. Say she love me, that's when I had to correct her. Live long, laugh hard, love easy. I tell the truth, I don't care if you believe me. We made some memories and they will never leave me. Now every girl that I meet trying to deceive me. They be trying to get all up in my mental, but I got the supervision, no parental. All I need is a paper and a pencil, and all I want is that rollie presidential. All my dreams about to come to fruition. I don't wanna keep paying for tuition, trying to put my family in the right position. I got the hustle, got the drive and the ambition. My best friend is my own intuition. I wake up every morning on a mission.